In badminton, skills like footwork, grip, and shot technique are essential for efficient movement, precision, and control during rallies. Additionally, mental toughness, stamina, and strategic thinking help players maintain focus, endurance, and adaptability, ensuring they can outplay opponents throughout a match. Then let's start first with badminton strokes. Firstly, a shot. It is a soft shot that barely clears the net and falls quickly, and its goal is just to land over the net in the opponent's front court. Stroke. This is a movement of the player's racket with an intention to hit the shuttle. It is a technique or method that used to direct the shuttlecock to different areas of the court. Forehand stroke refers to any shot struck on the racket side of the body. Basically, the forehand stroke is performed by hitting the shuttlecock with the palm facing side of the racket, typically on the dominant side of the body. Backhand stroke. The backhand stroke is executed with the back of the hand facing the shuttlecock, usually when the shuttlecock is on the non-dominant side of the body. Then let's move on to common badminton strokes. First is clear. This shot works best when you swing the racket upward and make contact with the shuttle. The clear shot is always aimed towards the back of the opposite court and is used as a defensive shot. Drop shot. The shuttle falls gently and just clears the net. The drop shot is known to be a strategic movement which deceives opponents to thinking a player is about to execute a drive shot. Drive. It is a hard stroke that hit on the straight line. It is a fast, flat shot that travels straight over the net, typically parallel to the ground. And the last one is smash. It is a hard stroke that hits sharply downward. The smash is an offensive shot and considered one of the most powerful in badminton. It is played at a downward angle, making it difficult for an opponent to catch with the racket. Then let's move on to badminton footwork. First one is ready position. Basically, the ready position in badminton is a stance where a player stands with feet shoulder width apart, knees slightly bent, and weight on the balls of the feet, preparing to move quickly in any direction. V-back formation. In this setup, one player is positioned at the back of the court, while the other player stands closer to the net, forming a V shape facing backward. X formation. Combination of V front and V back. The X formation is a hybrid of both V front and V back. One player stands near the front of the court, and the other is positioned at the back, forming an X on the court. And lastly, Y formation. Combination of V front and V backwards. The Y formation combines the V front and V back, with one player positioned at the front and the other in a slightly backward position, forming a Y shape. Then let's go to service in badminton. First is low serve, a type of serve where the shuttlecock is hit just above the net, aiming to land near the opponent's service line, typically in the forecourt area. Next is a high serve, a type of serve where the shuttlecock is hit high into the air, traveling deep into the opponent's backcourt. The flick serve. It's intended to surprise the opponent by pretending to perform a low serve, then quickly executing a fast, high serve to the backcourt. Last is drive serve. It is a fast and flat serve that is hit with power, traveling directly across the court without much height. Then let's go to officiating. Officials in badminton. In badminton, the referee ensures the match follows the rules, settles disputes, supervises umpires, manages the game flow, and handles penalties or disqualifications. Next up is the umpire. In badminton, calls the score, makes line calls, enforces rules, and manages play during the match. They also ensure fair play and smooth operation of the game. Next we have service judge. In badminton, monitors the serve to ensure it follows the rules. So it's need to follow all the rules since responsible if the service is service fault. Lastly, we have line judge. A line judge in badminton is responsible for determining whether the shuttle lands in or out on their assigned court lines. They signal their decisions by raising a flag or making a specific hand gesture.